Hi, this is Mathieu.
Hello everybody, I'm Evan.
And I'm Hugo, and we went to Madagascar for our internship where we worked on the reforestation project with the association Île Latérite located in the southeast of Madagascar.
L'autre con il est complètement bourré.
Evan and I met at Roissy-Charles de Gaulle airport to begin our 10-hour flight to Antananarivo, the capital of Madagascar. Upon our late arrival at 11 p.m., we were greeted by Sam, the driver of the association. He drove us to his brother-in-law's house where we experienced our first taste of the famous local vanilla rhum arrangé, which helped us fall asleep quickly as we waited our 6 a.m. flight to Tolagnac, also known as Fort-de-France. The next morning, our flight was initially delayed until 9 a.m. and then further postponed until 11 a.m., giving us some extra time to rest on the airport benches.
Pas mal.
Chers passagers, nous voici arrivés à Tolagnac, Fort-de-France. Il est 13h11.
We eventually arrived at Fort-de-France by early afternoon and were warmly welcomed by Mathieu, who took us to his family's home.
As we explored this beautiful coast town, where we struck not only by the stunning landscape and wildlife, but also by the visible poverty of the local population. After enjoying our time with Mathieu's family and exploring Fort-de-France, we are preparing for the journey to the Berenty Reserve, located about 2 hours away. We packed supplies including fruits, vegetables, chicken, meat, and favorite material. Catching the chicken and rooster proved to be an amusing part of the preparation.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait là, Evan?
J'en ai aucune idée, on fait quoi?
On fait quoi là, Mathieu?
On fait le pain de fruits,
Voilà.
de poulet, pain de fruits,
Poulet.
d'abord on se passe le
Voilà. Les fruits là-bas.
les vêtements,
Et voilà.
on a vidé le marché.
On l'a vidé.
During the road trip, we admired the breathtaking agriculture field, mountain, and vibrant market along the way. By 7 p.m., we arrived at the Berenty Reserve and unpacked our belongings at Madame Benedict's house, where we would stay for the during of your internship.
The next morning, we start our day by feeding fruits to the lemur. Our tutor then introduces us to the tree nursery and its various plant species, followed by a visit to the compost area. They tasked us with finding ways to enhance the existing compost and reorganize it. In the afternoon, we ventured into the forest. After a quick orientation race to see our ability to use a Garmin 650T GPS, we headed to tree plot 6 and 7 in the southern part of the reserve.
Our mission in Madagascar was divided into 3 main parts. First of all, reforestation. We began by selecting a zone for rehabilitation. Using the GPS marking areas already planted on Google Earth, we identified a suitable plot for our work. Over the next few weeks, we cleared the area of invasive vines and dead wood. Once the plot was cleaned, we used metal sticks and custom triangular tool to effectively mark where to dig the holes and for planting. With the site fully prepared, we inventoried the trees in the nursery and began planting, watering, and mulching the ground to retain the moisture. We also created a grid map of all the trees planted, and by the end of the month, we had planted over 327 trees and compiled a document to monitor their growth and measure the progress over the coming years.
The nursery a crucial role in forestation, as it is where seed and gating are natural before being transplanted to the forest plot. The nursery houses over 10,000 plants managed by 3 women, with an outdoor section used to harden the plant before we are moved to the forest.
Number 3, composting. We joined a team of 10 people to help organize and optimize the compost pile. Our first task was to realign and turn over the pile using shovels. We then conducted research and to improve the compost, testing variables such as pH level and temperature. and observed the degradation process. We experimented with different combinations of material available on the site in an effort to create the most balanced and nourishing compost for the plant. Every weekend, our tutors send us back to Fort-Dauphin to relax and experiment Madagascar local lifestyle. We spend our morning surfing, enjoy local lifestyle specialties such as oyster, and spend our Saturday night at Le Florida nightclub where we dance with the locals.
Voilà, achat d'un coq.
After 4 weeks of hard work and dedication, it was time to say goodbye. We headed back to Antananarivo where we were hosted by Matthew's girlfriend's family.
Chacun à son tour. Mamie et papy sont là. Allez, va, danse, mamie. Danse, mamie. Danse, mamie. Danse, mamie. C'est magnifique, papi. Ah, papi. Vas-y, papi. C'est magnifique, reste, papi. Ah, papi. N'est-ce pas?
Je veux dire-